Welcome back. 4 youth from Bangalore were arrested for assaulting a traffic police in the capital city. The policeman was assaulted when he tried to stop a four-wheeler travelling without a registration number plate. Locals attacked the culprits for assaulting the traffic police. One of the culprits is in a critical state.
This incident occurred on Wednesday morning. 4 youth from Bangalore assaulted traffic police in capital city. Earlier, traffic police tried to stop them at Old Goa for travelling in a car without a number plate. They fled away from Old Goa. After receiving wireless message from Old Goa police, ASI Shrikant Pednekar tried to stop the car while entering the capital city. The youth assaulted the ASI. Later, people attacked the youth near Konkani Academy for assaulting a policeman.
To the hospital now. They are badly injured. One of them is badly injured. Yeah, whatever the section will applying, then we will see that they are arrested in the cases.
All 4 were shifted to JMC. One of them is in a critical state. Our reporter from Panaji, Devidas Kamble, with video journalist Sushant Paul.
Vishwajit Rane has accused former Minister and MLA Bandu Desai of distributing forged offer letters of the Health Department in Valpai constituency. Rane said the department has not issued any offer letters violating election code. He said all the allegations against him should be investigated by the Election Commission and the truth will prevail.
Vishwajit Rane's Health Department is currently under the scanner for election code violation and recruitments. Junior Rane addressed a media conference at his residence in Donapal to clarify his stand.
गेल्या 3 दिसा लोक आणि विरोधी पक्ष माझेर आरोप करता की हांव ऑफरी लोकांक वाडटा. हायेन खंयचीच ऑफर कोणाक वाडपाचो प्रयत्न करूंक जाय जे प्रोसेसचे अनुसार जाल्ले आसा तितकेच. I have not distributed a single offer to anybody, nor have I delivered a single offer to anybody. I have also made it very clear into the election commission की केन्नाय तुम्ही चेकिंग करूंक शकता, माझे घर चेक करू शकता, ऑफिस चेक करू शकता, काय फरक पडना. काल एक अफसर खान म्हणून वाळपय एक टायपिस्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन जो दुकान चलयता वाळपय तेणी एक विरोधी पक्ष माजी मंत्री माजी आमदार काँग्रेसचो अशें माहिती आयिल्ली आसा म्हणून हांवें हें नजरेक हाडून दिल्लें आसा. तेणी खोटे ऑफरी ब्लँक ऑफरी छापलेले आसा, झिरॉक्स केल्लेले आसा आनी हे झिरॉक्स करून ते भरून म्हाका कदाचित डावट लागता की हे लोकांक वाटपाक चालू करतले म्हाका पोल वायलेशनान इम्प्लिकेट करपाक म्हणून हांवें एक टोटल इन डिटेल पत्र हांवें मिस्टर कुमारस्वामीच्या हातीन हांवें दिल्लें आसा.
Rane has alleged in his complaint that Bandu Desai is involved in this act. He said that it is a criminal offence and he will direct his department to file police complaint. He said that due to election more than 400 vacancies are pending.
Bandu Desai clarified that he has not forged any appointment letters of Health Department. He said that he had photocopied some of the reports of farmers who were suffering loss in Valpai. However, BJP thinks that it is Health Minister Vishwajit Rane who is distributing the bogus offer and appointment letters.
नोकऱ्यांची आमिषा, खिरापती, गाजर हे दाखवून आपले स्थान घट करपा खातीर जे ताणें कर्मां केल्यात.
आरोग्य मंत्री जो आसा तो विशय राणे वाडटा. एका वाड्यार 30 ऑर्डरी काडल्या म्हणजे सध्या लग्न पत्रिका दिना घरोघर वाटिना ती पद्धत चालू आसा गेल्ले. तेका दर सायकल सुद्दां चलोवंक कळना आनी तेका ड्रायव्हर म्हणून ते हे दिला तेणी बोगस हे दिला. तेजे स्टॅम्प ना काय ना बेस्ट जाली.
Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
The Excise Department has taken a strict action against the illegal transportation of liquor. Around 45,000 rupees worth liquor was seized at Kurtori on Wednesday. But on the other hand, there are allegations of misuse of authority by excise officers. The department has initiated an inquiry into the matter. The department has intensified its monitoring. Raids were also conducted at Ponda and Kumarsway. In another major raid, whiskey worth around 45,000 rupees were confiscated by the Department of Excise at Kurtori.
We were keeping a constant watch on certain places in Margaon that goods illegally they are transporting especially for distribution purpose. Around 4:30 today, around 4:35, we got a specific information. Some truck is carrying the goods towards Kurtorim side. So by the time our team reached there, they unloaded the goods of 80 cases of whiskey. 80 cases of whiskey has been unloaded, and by the time our team reached, they disappeared. Truck has been disappeared. We suspect that they must be interchanging. First they will bring in one truck, so that there won't be any track.
Meanwhile, the Excise Department held a hearing into the allegations against one of its officers, Raman Fatarpekar, of misuse of authority. BJP member Datta Prasad Naik, who is the complainant, maintains that there was no violation of law.
थंय काजू पॅलस म्हणटा ताचो स्टाफ हो थंय आशिल्लो जेन्ना हे ताचे कडल्यान ताणें व्हेल्या ताणें थंय पेमेंट करूं ना हें आमचें एलिगेशन आसा. मागीर 27 तारखेर जेन्ना हो एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंटान गेल्लो हाजे आपले परमीट बुक्स आमकां जे लागता ट्रान्सपोर्ट परमिट्स ते घेवपाक ते परमीट बूक हें करता ताणें ताका जस्ट इतकें म्हणलें पात्रांव तें मातशें बील मातशें क्लियर कर एमावंट व्हडलो आसा त्या हातून तो हाजेर चाळवलो तो म्हणटा आपल्या कडेन पयशे मागता तुका कितें तें आपूण दाखयतलो आनी 28 तारखेर ताणें ताजेर रेड मारली. तिका आमी जो आतां तुमकां सांगला तेंच तिका सांगिल्लें आसा प्लस स्टेटमेंट सुद्दां आमचे दिल्ले आसा आनी आमी मागता की ताजेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवची कित्याक इट इज बिकमींग व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू बिजनस.
Excise Commissioner P.S. Reddy says that an impartial inquiry will be conducted into the allegations. He said that he will forward the report to the Election Commission with his remarks by Friday. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sarvesh Vayuskar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.